DJT stock analysis. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. Where is Trump media stock going from Friday and onward? I'll cover everything in this 1 minute video. So looking at DJT stock, we've seen a 21% decrease in price. That is a lot. That is really a lot. And I personally am hypothetically it's still in a demand area, so technically that is correct. And I would not really start buying unless I saw a double break like I mentioned previously here. I mean, to make it clear, it's not like we're getting the double break anytime soon. Obviously it could happen, but from the price action that I see, at least I would love to see this thing kind of clear the lows out and then give me a double break from here on in order for me to buy. Anything else that is not going to be that is going to be complete noise. So yeah, I mean, if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.